Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make foxtail millet noodles with schezwan sauce and prawns. So this came out super yummy, and on the other hand millet noodles is very healthy unlike wheat noodles. So it is super tasty friends, please make it. So let's start cooking. So for cooking millet noodles, see I bought these foxtail millet noodles from the market. So here you can get in South India, you get lot of millet items available in the stores and online. So I bought it from the market. You get varieties of millet noodles. So this is foxtail millet noodles. So first of all I am going to boil some water and going to boil the noodles in the hot water. So I heat the water. Now I am going to put the noodles and then cook it for 5 to 10 minutes or until it becomes softens. And also I am going to put here little bit of see they have also gave a taste maker. So this is also healthy. I have seen the ingredients. It contains all the natural spices and herbs and no added preservatives. So it's completely healthy and natural. So I am going to boil these foxtail millet noodles and I am going to also add 1 pinch of salt. So when it gets boiled with the salt, the noodles becomes more tasty. So whenever I boil noodles, I add little bit of salt into it. Now I am going to chop some vegetables. So here I have taken cabbage, beans and carrot. So I am going to chop the cabbage into small tiny pieces. So friends, please choose millet over wheat or maida noodles, because millet noodles is very healthy. It is gluten free and it helps to it helps us in many ways actually, because it has lot of fiber in it. So it is very good for our health. So I try to substitute I do enjoy good food, sometimes yummy food, but I try to choose the healthier version. So here instead of maida or atta noodles, I go for millet noodles. And without guilt I can enjoy, I can also give it to my child. So I have chopped the cabbage and beans, and for the carrot I am going to grate it. Carrot is little hard and it takes so much of time, so I am going to grate the carrot. So I have chopped the vegetables very nicely. I kept it, and also in the meantime I can see that all the vegetables are cooked chopped, and the noodles is also been cooked. So it's been softened. Now I am going to drain away the water, throw away the water nicely. And also friends, here I am going to make it a special sauce. So with this the noodles become super tasty. It is exactly not schezwan sauce, but more or less like schezwan, it will give the flavor. So for that I am going to boil few red chilies. So once I am boiling it because then it will become softened. So you can also soak it in the water for 1 hour, then it becomes softens. As I do need it immediately, so I am going to boil it in the hot water to soften the red chilies. So now I have taken the red chili in the mixture grinders jar, and also I will take few garlic cloves. So this I am going to blend it into a paste, the garlic cloves and this boiled green chili. I'll blend it into very fine paste. So also here friend, I have put a pan here. Now I am going to fry some prawns. So I'll put little bit of oil in the pan, and because I have some prawns, so I thought of using it in the noodles. I'm not going to add any egg. So it's going to be vegetables, prawns, schezwan noodles. So now I'm going to fry the prawns little bit with little bit of salt in the pan, and then I'm going to fry it very nicely. See, the prawns will give a very nice flavor to the noodles. See friends, my paste, my schezwan like garlic and the green chili paste is ready. So I put little bit of paste into the prawn to make it more tasty, and then fry it very nicely. Fry. Prawns doesn't usually take much time to fry. It take very less time. So see, the prawn is already become golden color. So I kept it aside. Now I had put little more oil in the pan, and then now I'm going to fry the vegetables. So I'm going to add the cabbage, beans and the carrot chopped. So I'm going to fry it very nicely. Once it is been fried, so now here I am going to add a little bit of salt, not much, little bit of salt, because I have already added salt to the noodles. So that is why I will not add much more salt, just little salt. And then I'll fry the vegetables and prawns very nicely. So friends, during winters, lot of vegetables are available in the market, so we can add lot of vegetables, and then mix, blend, like make soup, make noodles, vegetables, eat with rice, chapati. So a lot of fresh vegetables can be added to our daily diet. So I fried the vegetables and prawns very nicely, and it's giving a very nice aroma. Now I'm adding here the noodles, the boiled noodles, and I'm going to mix it very nicely. Thoroughly mix the vegetables, the prawns and the noodles, and then very nicely, and then cook it. The vegetables are already softened, it has been cooked nicely. Now here I am going to add this garlic and chili paste, which I say schezwan sauce. So I'm going to add it here, and then I'm going to mix everything very well. See the friends, the noodles with the garlic sauce, it's looking so nice and yummy. So it will be little spicy, so if children cannot eat, like, you can put very little red chili, 2 red chili and more of garlic. So here my millet noodles with schezwan sauce and prawn is ready, which is come out to be super yummy. Friends, please do make it at home and let me know in the comment how it came out. Your comments will motivate me to make more healthy and tasty recipes.